I've been using Joint Restore Gummies consistently for a while now, and I can honestly say they've become one of my favorite additions to my daily wellness routine. I was looking for a simple and enjoyable way to support my joints, and these gummies exceeded my expectations in every way. They taste great, have a pleasant texture, and are much easier to remember to take than large pills or capsules. From the very beginning, I appreciated how convenient they were, and after several weeks of regular use, I started noticing positive changes in how my joints felt throughout the day. One of the biggest improvements I experienced was a greater sense of comfort and flexibility during everyday activities. Simple tasks like climbing stairs, taking long walks, bending down to pick things up, or standing for extended periods became noticeably easier. I also found that I felt less stiff when waking up in the morning, which made it much more enjoyable to start my day. Instead of feeling like my joints were slowing me down, I felt more confident staying active and participating in activities I enjoy without constantly thinking about discomfort. What really impressed me was the overall quality of the product. The gummies are fresh, consistently made, and packaged securely, showing that attention has been given to every detail. The flavor is delicious without being overly sweet, making them feel more like a small daily treat than a health supplement. That small difference actually made it much easier to stay consistent, and consistency is an important part of any wellness routine. I also appreciate that the formula is designed with ingredients intended to support joint health and mobility. It gave me confidence that I was providing my body with extra nutritional support alongside maintaining an active lifestyle and healthy habits. While supplements are not a substitute for proper nutrition and exercise, I found these gummies to be an excellent complement to my overall wellness routine. The purchasing experience was equally positive. Ordering was straightforward, the product arrived well packaged, and everything looked exactly as described. The presentation reflects a level of professionalism and care that immediately leaves a good impression. It's always reassuring when a company delivers a product that matches expectations from the moment it arrives. After using Joint Restore Gummies regularly, I genuinely feel that they've helped me stay more comfortable and active in my day-to-day life. I have more confidence when walking longer distances, spending time outdoors, and completing daily tasks that previously felt more tiring on my joints. While I understand that individual experiences can vary depending on personal health and lifestyle, my own experience has been very satisfying. Overall, I'm extremely pleased with Joint Restore Gummies and would gladly continue using them. They combine convenience, enjoyable taste, quality ingredients, and an easy daily routine into a product that fits seamlessly into everyday life. For anyone looking for a simple, pleasant way to support joint wellness and maintain an active lifestyle, I believe these gummies are well worth trying. Based on my experience, they've been a valuable addition to my health routine, and I would happily recommend them to friends and family looking for extra support for their joints.